we started off today's episode by saying that we wanted to approach this with giving thanks healthcare style. And in preparation for filming today and recording this episode, I started spending a lot of time thinking about what it is that's happening in healthcare that I'm really thankful for. And one of the things that jumps to the top of my mind is how thankful I am that there are so many doctors and nurses and caregivers that are out there working tirelessly day in and day out to help patients understand their disease, figure out their treatment options, and deal with the side effects that often can come with those treatment options. And it doesn't matter if it's a surgeon that's helping out a patient at a major hospital, or if it's the nurse practitioner that's helping out people at the CVS's minute clinics. These people are a godsend, if you will, and our lives are certainly better off having them as a part of them.
Yeah, everybody working in the industry is a superhero. I'm certainly thankful for how hard all of our doctors work, and everybody, like you said, doesn't matter if you are a surgeon or if you're the person at the CVS Minute Clinic. I mean, these people in the healthcare industry are working tirelessly, and we're all so much better off for it. It goes beyond just the interaction between patients and their caregivers, too. It goes all the way towards the drug developers, the people who run the insurance companies. It's a huge, huge industry. And I like to think it's one where everybody can really believe in the mission of health. I mean, that's something we can get behind. And so I'm definitely thankful for the passion that everybody working in the industry has.
Right. We mentioned CVS and minute clinics, and just go back to what you just said about if your focus is on health first, it's like anything else, right? I suppose if you love what you do, you will succeed, right? So if at CVS Health, I mean, not only are they making healthcare more affordable to everybody and accessible to everybody by opening up clinics in their stores right down the street, but their decision to stop selling tobacco and put, I guess, patient health before profit. They gave up $2 billion in sales in that decision.
Yeah, and we look into it and we try to financially justify it because we're investors. But what it comes down to is just mission alignment. That's what it is.
Yeah. I mean, it's that kind of thoughtfulness and, I guess, innovation in the way that they approach their businesses that make us thankful not only as, patients, people, but also as investors. I mean, the Motley Fool is helping everyone come up with, new ways of approaching their investment portfolios, figuring out what kind of companies they want to own. And certainly, if you're putting your mission first, I think you have a much better likelihood of succeeding long term.